Hey guys, it's just another beautiful day here. I'm just at family house, just helping out my mom. She needed some help with some TV. She got a new TV, so we're just gonna do some upgrades while we're here before we head out, because I've found some issues with the Chinese diesel heater just blowing straight air into the vehicle from the window. So instead of cutting holes and doing a bunch of crazy stuff inside the car, I found a unique way to get the heat from the window to the battery compartment and to the driver's seat under the seat. And here I'm going to show you how I did it. Apologies for not recording actually doing it. The T section from the battery goes down, only has like a little square inch of air that allows it goes down, because I wanted most of the air to go under the seat, because I want the batteries and the water from freezing. So I don't want anything cold below freezing inside the car. Chinese diesel heater heat comes in here. This is a new window cover. Just side is cardboard. The other side is vinyl or something like that. I can show you now. It's just a no parking sign anyways. So the heat goes in the back. It's all wrapped and it's all taped with aluminum tape. Goes all the way to the back to this corner. That is a T section, so it gets split. And remember, I told you it's only a little square, so a little bit of air goes down into the battery compartment to keep the batteries at temperature, because the warmer the batteries, the more battery power I have. And then the rest of the heat, most of the heat, goes down the side. So the heat comes in, goes down here, gets split down up there, goes up there, it gets split here. So then I've got a chute that goes under there. So I've got a chute that way, it gets split and it goes that way. That way has a long hose that goes to the other side. So that hose, there's the pipe. The other pipe gets piped and it wraps around that hump, and then it shoots that way into here. So there should be a little bit of warmth coming through. Not a crazy lot, but most of the heat's coming out this way. Just had another asking questions about what is that contraption. So anyways, we've got the heat going into the car. We've got it all sorted out. Now there's one other issue that I've had problems with lately. Now lately, the last couple days, I've noticed, well, not the last couple days, but the last 4 or 5 days, I've had propane smell in the vehicle. Now I've always shut it off at the propane tank, but lately there's been air coming out of this hose right here along this groove. So I ordered a new hose. Hopefully that solves the problem. If it does, sweet. If it doesn't, shit. So I went ahead on Amazon and ordered a steel braided hose. Now from what I can tell, we're gonna have the same issue over time, but hopefully this solves the problem. Let's test this bad boy out. All right, let's see if this works. So it seems like that's fixed. New cable worked great. Heat's on, works good. I don't smell anything now. I don't hear anything because it was audibly loud. Like you could hear it almost hissing, to the point where I had the hose wrapped around outside the car just while I was trying to cook, because obviously I need to cook. So that's a good fix. Everything's good to go. I'm just gonna turn it off. So that's the heat upgraded, and the propane hose is replaced. I even got a new stove because I thought it was the stove. Oops. So I got a new stove sitting in the house, but I'll just keep using this one. There's no reason to open a new one right now. I'll save that one for next year. Get everything packed up, ready to go, put back together, put my bed back together, go have a shower, and we'll take off. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Remember to hit that bell notification icon so you guys get notifications when I do upload videos. And we'll see you guys in the next location.